This is an opportunity to own an end-unit villa with lots of light and serene side views. This 2-half spacious villa with a large primary bedroom featuring a large walk-in closet with primary bathroom and guest bathroom redone. Maintenance fee includes water, cable, roof maintenance, landscaping, sewer, internet, common areas. This villa offers unparalleled convenience, being close to the beach and vibrant downtown Delray Beach. Located between the 2 major airports. Community features an array of amenities including a pool, clubhouse. Lots of parking for guests and parking spaces are located close to the villa.